Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. So check it out. Today we want to show you this Tusk Lever Grip. So these are made from a cool heat shrink material that's got a lot of grip, a lot of texture to it. Purpose for these, just like the name says, they're designed to give a little bit more grip to your levers for your clutch and for your brake. And if you're riding in wet conditions, muddy conditions often, and you feel like your levers are pretty slippery, this stuff is ideal for that. And honestly, I like to feel this on my levers even in just dry conditions. I just like the grip that it gives. Now, as far as the install process for these, super easy. All you're gonna do is just put up to your levers. You're just gonna measure the length that you're going to want. And what I would recommend is just try and do the flat surfaces of your levers. Try and stay away from the bends as much as possible. But once you've done that, you're just gonna cut it to length, slide it over your lever, get a heat gun, hit it with the heat gun for a while, do some passes on there. You'll see it start to shrink, and eventually it's just gonna fit the shape of your lever just right. And then once you've done that, you've got a nice grippy surface when you're grabbing your levers. Again, something I've been using for a while now. I really like it. And as far as the fitment goes, this is 3/4 of an inch in diameter. So if you need to, you can measure the size of the ball that you have on the end of your levers. But easy to install, super inexpensive, and again, just an easy way to add some additional grip to your levers. So click on the link in the description or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com right now to get yours. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.